Hello, hi, this is Henry with Neighborhood Carpet Cleaners. I'm here in Stafford, Virginia. We're about to take care of this home. It's 7 areas. And, this is pretty much, the rest of the house is pretty much soiled with high traffic. But, if you're a professional carpet cleaner, you should be able to take that out. So I'm only going to video this one room here because there's a lot of specialty stains here, primarily makeup. So as you can see, it's pretty much everywhere. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our time in this one particular room to try to restore these carpets for the owner. He's moving out, and I'm pretty sure he would like us to do above and beyond service to try to get these makeup stains out. And that is going to be part of our job here. All right. It is riddled everywhere. I just told him just this room alone should probably take me about 40 minutes. And traditionally, one bedroom, lightly soiled or even medium soil, typically takes us about, 10, 15 minutes. So there's a huge gap difference in doing specialty work. So it's going to be painstaking, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be worth it. He's going to love it. We're going to have another satisfied client. So take a look here. It's really bad. And hopefully I could do some good justice here and restore these carpets. All right, guys, stand by. Hi, this is Henry with Neighborhood Carpet Cleaners. We were able to be very successful with this room here that had all the makeup stains, no polish. As you can see, very, very impeccable. This room took the longest time to get the job done. Obviously, we had to concentrate a lot more on these stains, but I am thoroughly, thoroughly satisfied. The client couldn't really believe it. He thought this was a lost cause, but let you know, when you contact Neighborhood Carpet Cleaners, you're gonna get the best. Absolutely, hands down. We don't mess around. We're a veteran-owned company. We do what we have to do to make sure our mission is done, which means getting the job done properly and make sure that all the clients are happy. I would say, if you're very skilled, it's not as difficult, but it could be difficult even if you are skilled. So with that being said, I really like the way this turned out. We are trained professionals. And sometimes, I'll be honest, you don't get these results 100% of the time. But with years of experience and training and good chemistry, pretty much get any stain out. But like I said, it's not always 100. In this case, we were 1,000% good to go. The client is happy. We're going to get another beautiful rating. And thank you for looking at this. And if you have any questions, leave your comments below. Thank you. Impeccable.